What happened to your PlayStation, you said, sir?
I drove all the way from the Bronx to fix this. So I'm on the game, I'm playing 2K with my friends, and I got this message. It said, it's getting hot. And then it just turned off on me. Can you fix that?
Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you.
Let's test and see you.
5 minutes later.
Good? Oh, you know the crazy thing is? Where is my movie? Alright, going on elderly. You know the 2Ks and the terabyte. Damn. It's okay. Alright, it's not turning off because this is another game that was turning off first.
You won't.
Alright.
And you can say, we got people coming all the way from Westchester.
Where are you coming?
from Westchester, Yonkers, Westchester, to come and fix up a PlayStation. Good job, good job.
It worked.
This is what he stays up all night for.
Yeah, play.
2, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh my god.
And I hear it in my bedroom because he's in his bed.
You have that Long Island accent.
Long Island,
In Long
New York,
Island.
New York.
New York, but the Long Island
Really?
also, yeah.
Wow.
Or Coney Island?
Brooklyn
Coney Island?
Coney Island is
is
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn.
Yeah.
That's in Brooklyn.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
I know it's New York because when I went to California, they all said you from New York.
Yeah.
And when I went to Florida, they knew. Well, Florida is all New York anyway. But when you go to a different state, they know where you come from because they
Yeah.
hear it in your voice.
Uh-huh.
You're not gonna play a little bit?
And would it turned off by now?
No, play a little bit, play.
Like more?
Yeah. I know it will turn off by now, but we want to make sure.
It's
all good.
The game I need
Play-
to check.
play little
It's
bit-
2K, but I have it on the
on the-
terabyte.
Yeah, the hard drive.
Yeah, so I took it out because I didn't know if I needed to, so I just did it anyway.
It's okay.
It's moving faster though. Like everything's loading faster. Why did I do that? Ma, you want to feed the dog? Give him a treat. Get it on camera. Go ahead, do it. I gave the dog a treat.
You did? Good. Okay, so they got you on camera.
Girl, get on the camera.
He got me on the camera saying that I was from West Yonkers.
I'm from Jack.
But he coming down to looking for us, right?
Right. We're from Amsterdam. Say that.
Entering safe area.
Here's a little music. Big LED.
Agent requesting backup.
These are all the games I own in here.
Okay, Dave.
Alright.
We gotta get on the highway.
Looks good?
Yeah. When I get home and put
If I
that
take
2K
this
in.
straight down.
Your PlayStation is ready, sir. Now it's clean and it's good to go.
Let's go. This was definitely worth the travel. You know, looks brand new, looks shiny. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta go. I gotta play with the boys. See y'all later.
Tell them that you're gonna refer people.